Okay guys, video ni aku tunjuk korang macam mana aku tukar aku punya top box. Okay, enjoy the video. Assalamualaikum guys, anda sekarang berada di channel Ishmam Channel. Okay, kali ni aku tunjuk korang macam mana aku nak tukar aku punya top box. Aku punya top box ni second hand lah, aku beli. Dan now aku beli yang barunya ni, aku beli daripada Lim Boy. Okay, kat Boy aku beli. Okay, jom kita pasang. Okay, ini dia box dia. Okay, aku tak tahu ni apa brand, tapi it's a copy of macam those Trax box, Venture. Okay, so it's cheaper. Aku beli ni 45 liters capacity and harga dia is $158. Okay, that's the cheapest that is in viral in Facebook now lah. So aku beli ni lah, aku decide to buy this. Okay, so okay, first step, ni bracket lama, dia punya base plate. Base plate ni ada 4 skru nak kena tukar. And this 4 screws. Okay, kita guna spanner size 10. Okay, buka ni. Okay, on top of the base plate kita boleh buka, there's a rubber macam stopper lah. Kita buka and this is the stopper. At first tak kena pakai screwdriver lah, just kopek the rubber. Okay, and it's dalam tu nut, bolt yang guna Allen key to open. So okay, now finally it's open. Okay, so now this is the base of the new box, the base plate. All these screws ni dia punya catch semua, we just take out from the box lah, this base plate. Okay, then just fix onto the monorack. Okay, ni skru, ada 4 skru panjang, 4 skru pendek. Okay, ni benda ni, metal plate ni, bracket ni, I'm not sure yet macam nak pakai. Manual dia tak tunjukkan that we have to use that. Nanti aku just try and error lah how to fix Okay, in the end aku pasang macam ini. So the skru panjang tu aku gunakan, aku just to protect the base plate or what, and just fix lah. Okay, ni rubber stopper, there's 4 of them, and once you fix under the base of your top box lah. Okay, senang aja bosku. Okay, then this latch, this hinge ke apa ni, just a catch, then just masuk. Simple. Okay, now it's fixed. Okay, masukkan, just click it, just push it. Okay, there's a catch. Okay, okay, dah siap. Right. Okay, macam smart tak? Okay, thanks for watching this video.